Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. 35mm black and white, and I got the fashion job, and this is the company made some, I think the fashion company something. Well, let's get started. I want to make something exciting, impressive image from this. I think it's pretty nice. I like this kind of wavy, nice mood of this photo, this shot. Well, let's get started. Okay, now I'm gonna first colorize this image first. I have pencil drawing type image I already made by Adobe Fresco. Use filter called Find Edges. This is the one, but I'm not going to use it right now. Just turn it off to keep it. Then add layer over this black and white image. Then I'm going to add some color. First, change the blend mode, normal to color. Then I'm going to paint it on this layer. Choose the brush. I'm going to use basic to soft round opacity. Okay, and the costume, what color was that? Well, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna just paint it on. Well, almost done for colorize. Okay, I made some pastel colors overall. Okay, this is the color layer I just added. That's pretty nice. Okay, turn on this pencil drawing type image. Then let's see, change blend mode to this is luminosity overlay 50. Now leave it color burn 60. Yeah, I still like this. Now I'm gonna add layer clean this layer with white 100%. This one, pink. Now I'm going to create empty mask. Then I'm going to reveal this roughing brush. This is a nice brush. Yeah, look at this texture here. That's so nice. Wow, nice feeling. That's cool. Alright, I shouldn't touch anymore. That's pretty, yeah, beautiful. That's cool. Well, I guess that's it. That's very cool, I like it. Look at this detail. Well, let me turn these off. Now this is the original image. Then I add color layer. Then this is pencil drawing type image. I change the blend mode to color burn. 60% opacity. That's all. Just touch, darken. Then I add white layer, mask, this much. Then I use the roughing brush. That gives you some nice, interesting texture. Well, pretty nice. I like it. Yeah. Well, that's it for today, and thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work. And I really appreciate for you guys' support, and you guys have a nice day, and let's be creative. Well, see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.